Alright, the cookies and milk are out for Santa. Now I gotta go get Tom and I'm gonna go to bed. Well, Tom, time for bed. Okay, well, Tom's already asleep. Okay, Elmo, put your phone down. Put your phone down.
Why?
Because it's Christmas Eve, time for you to go to bed so Santa can come. And you too, Kion. You lay over there. Elmo, give me the phone. Give me the phone! You're a bad boy! You're not gonna get any presents for Christmas if you don't give me the phone. Ow! I'm gonna tell Santa.
Why not?
I will. Give me the phone.
I swear.
Give me the phone. Time for bed. Ow! Ow! Stop! Ow! How do you like that? Kion! He hit me first. Stop! Both of you. You guys aren't gonna get any presents. Uh-oh.
What's going on, Elmo? What? Did you win first? Yeah, get your butt over here!
What do you want, Mark?
You hit my son.
Look at this bump. Do you believe me now? He hit me first. I promise you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mark, stop pushing it. Stop pushing it again. Elmo's bed. It's time for bed. Come on. Come on, let's go to bed.
Right.
Hey, Elmo. Here, let's...
Okay, to push up.
I'm sorry,
1, 2,
okay?
3, 4. No hands.
Elmo, I'm sorry, okay?
1, 2,
Cover
3,
you up.
4, 5, 6,
Cover you up.
7,
There.
8, 9,
Mark.
10.
We should leave your son alone.
1,
How are you
2,
doing this?
3, 4.
Oh, wait, I can do.
4, 5, 6,
Stop.
7.
Mark, let's go to bed. Come on.
Bye.
See Elmo right there? He's asleep. I covered him up for you because you never take care of your son. Ow, you're always on patrol. You're never home, ever. You shouldn't even have a kid if you're not going to ever be with him.
I'm rich.
You don't care about him, do you?
You don't care about your kid.
Of course I do. Yeah, he's all tucked in.
I care about my kid.
Then why don't you ever spend time with him, huh?
Because you are stupid.
Tom's in more videos than Elmo, and I'm in more videos than you.
Can I tell you something?
What?
He's really stupid. He hates my son.
Of course he does. He's a brat.
You him?
Nah, I mean, not really,
Did
completely.
you say he was brat?
He is. Mark,
Yes, I dare.
do you
I
want...
dare. I swear I would choke you to death. I'm choking you to death.
No. Ah, wait.
What the heck? I'll have you arrested. I'll have you arrested.
Hot in here. Stupid hair. Ooh, cookies and milk. I gotta take off my. Alright, okay, is anybody around? Ooh. That's a good meal. Now for the cookies. I'm in the fridge. Remember when I got sleep? Oh, fridge. Like this. Top of the road. Ho, ho, ho. Ah. Okay. I was a brat. I don't really know how I got the term, but oh well. Oh, buzz. Oh, I got something for buzz. Where's my big book of manners? Big book of manners. What can I do with it? Huh? Oh, there it is. Making mysterious light. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna fall on the floor. Hey, Buzz. Here's your Christmas present. Merry Christmas. I'm on. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Blah, blah, blah.
It's Christmas! Yay! Dad, what's up? What's up? What? Christmas. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go see what you got from Santa.
Oh, Dad, I want to go turn to mine. Oh, you can figure it out, son. Okay, Tom Strathman from Santa Claus. That's mine. Stuck at me. Huh? Santa got me a box. Are you stupid? No, it's not a box. Ow. What's that for? You said I was stupid. Oh, sorry. But anyway, so it's a box, but there's something inside of it. So open it. Okay. Ugh, it's stuck in my mouth. Can you pull it off? Oh, sure. Hold on. Ugh. Oh, okay. Let's open the box. Dad, help me open the box. Yes, sir. Oh, a lady. I'm gonna use the box now. No, get out. Yeah. Play with your toys. I'm taking the box. No, my box. Give me the box. Yeah. I'm gonna get it. Oh, no. Fine. Elmo's gonna get up anyway. I'm gonna take this.
Okay, Elmo, open your present. It's huge! Yep. Santa got you a huge present because you always like them. Did you say present? Yeah, I speak Italian sometimes. Okay, just open your present. Okay. Okay. Want rich. Woohoo! My toys! Yeah. Sandy got all my toys now. I'm gonna go in the box. No. It's huge! I need it! No! Give me! No! Give me! That's mine! No! Let me take it out. Give it to me. Try this. Yes.
Christmas morning. What the? Elmo! Tom! Why would you do this? Elmo, what are you doing?
I'm sleeping.
Clean up your mess.
No, you clean it up. Bye-bye.
I hate you, Mark. I hate you, Mark. Now I gotta put this in the garbage. Ugh. Get the garbage. Ugh. Oh, let's clean up the rest. Oh, ow! Oh, what happened? Oh, what is this? What's this say? The Big Book of Manners by Santa Claus? Where's my poop toys? Ugh. Oh, I go read it, I guess. But I'm also gotta poop, so I'll just grab it here. Carl needs to start walking his own dog. It's so wet and cold out there. Huh? I hear my phone ring. Oh, wonder who it is. Can't be Hank. What if it's one of my other friends? Let's go see. Okay, I'll see who it is.
Hey, Bill. It's Sammy. I was wondering if you and your family could come over for Christmas. Okay. Sweet. Thanks, Bill. See you on Christmas. Bye.